Eh, Hello, my name is Carlos Monsalve. I am 56 years old. I am an level B1 Max. I live in Medellin, Colombia. I choose violence in video game as my topic because I consider it an interesting topic where I can share an opinion as a father of two kids. The video begins with a guy who is making a sketch of violence due to a frustration caused by a video game. Then he say a sentence. Everybody know video games are the cause of violence, and I agree with this affirmation because people are the way they are. There are no violence for playing a video game. Then he say that there is no evidence that video game cause violence. Later, he made an awesome example we agree with. He said that no one will say that reading a side book will cause depression due to say touch agree because it is a similar situation where there is no relation between sad book and depression, either between video game and violence. I think this is a good example because it is important to separation fiction from reality and reorganizing that the experiences or emotion, the depth of design in book or video game do not necessarily translate directly into real life action. Then the guy explained the reason with the publication bias is a problem and said that only 25% of studies had real data about the study they did. It is 3 out of 12 studies. Next, he could even find evidence that kids who had a history of playing violence video game had fewer hostile feeling and less depression. It is easy to notice he disagrees with the estimate of uh, violence caused by video game, and I agreed with him because we did or research only 25% of studies have data. It is not possible to make solely statistics for the argument. Of course, it is not a good ideal having a 5-year-old keep playing Call of Duty. Parents who allow they are making the wrong decision. A 5-year-old boy should be painting, singing, reading, even reading inside of playing video game because when kids do, do, do not listen to their parent, it is not because they spend time with video game. It is because they did not get the best example for parents. My conclusion is that video game my baby problem if I, as a father, do not lead my kid to be a good person, and video games are not to blame for irresponsible behavior from parents. Thank you for listening to my ideas and have a good day.